Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. If lambda 1 and lambda 2 are the wavelengths of first members of Lyman and Paschen series respectively, then lambda 1 is to lambda 2 is. So students, इस क्वेश्चन में हमसे कहा जा रहा है कि lambda 1 this represents the first member of Lyman series and lambda 2 represents the first member of Paschen series. देन हमें lambda 1 upon lambda 2 की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. फॉर दैट प्लीज नोट द की concept of this question, which says that first member of Lyman series corresponds to transition of electrons from n equals to 2 to n equals to 1, and the first member of Paschen series corresponds to transition of electrons from n equals to 4 to n equals to 3. So students, we are required to find lambda 1 upon lambda 2. So students, from Redbox formula, we can write for Lyman series, this Redbox formula is this 1 upon lambda, this is equals to r into z square upon 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square, where n1 represents the final energy level and n2 represents initial energy level. So students, for Lyman series, we can write 1 upon lambda 1 equals to r into z square. Moreover, note here r is Rydberg constant. This is r into z square upon 1. This transition in Lyman series was n equals to 2 to n equals to 1. This is 1 upon 1 square minus 1 upon 2 square. This is 1 upon lambda 1 equals to r into z square. On calculating, this will be 3 upon 4. So from here we can write the value of lambda 1 as 4 upon 3 r into z square. Now for Paschen's first member, we can write 1 upon lambda 2. This must be equal to r z square upon the first member of Paschen series was n equals to 4 to n equals to 3. So 1 upon 3 square minus 1 upon 4 square. 3 is the final energy level, 4 is the initial energy level. So 1 upon lambda 2 equals to r into z square. This is 1 upon 9 minus 1 upon 16. Now 1 upon lambda 2 will be r into z square. This will be 144, 16 minus 9. So lambda 2 will come out to be 144 upon 7 r into z square. We are concerned with finding lambda 1 upon lambda 2 of lambda 1 from here. This is 4 upon 3 rz square upon lambda 2 from here. Lambda 2 was 144 upon 7. This was into 144 upon 7 r z square. This r z square will get cancelled out and we will left with 4 into 7 upon 3 into 144. On solving, this 144 will get cancelled out for 36. So lambda 1 upon lambda 2 will be given as 7 upon 108. And this corresponds to option D of this question. I hope आपको ये concept समझ आए students. Thank you.